talking about this cool website called Spyfu. Spyfu.com. This website is one of the key tools that I use when I'm comparing my competitors with my clients. It gives you very insightful information. There's a paid version, and then of course there's a free version of this particular site. If you've got the funds, definitely would recommend investing in it. So let's do a quick search here. Say for instance, your competitor is Walmart. So let's see what Walmart is doing. So we can mimic them, and because clearly what they're doing is successful. So here is a report on Walmart's SEO traffic, its keyword research, and its PPC research. Very insightful. You can see organic keywords over 75 million. Obviously, Walmart is a huge company, so you expect that. There's paid keywords, and then there's the organic traffic, where that's coming from, and gives you further breakdown. It gives you the competition, compares Amazon, eBay, Target, Etsy. And then here we go further down. You get a competitor shared keywords. See which keywords are overlapping amongst the competitors. So very key, very critical insights that if you are competing with other people, you want to keep an eye on these statistics. So this is a great tool to have in your back pocket whenever you're doing market research, whenever you're trying to fine tune your SEOs or your PPCs or your SEO. All right. Thank you for joining me. Happy learning.